Today, we bring you the list of 20 fascinating things that first ever happened on internet. The first time anyone sent a tweet. On March 21st, 2006, co-founder of Twitter Jack Dorsey hammered out 24 of his 140-character limit to craft the world's first tweet. 10 years later, Twitter has established itself as a major form of communication among its 800 million users. According to a statistic, 500 million tweets are sent per day. The first video to be uploaded to YouTube. Me at the Zoo was the first ever video to be uploaded to YouTube on April 23, 2005 by the site's co-founder Javed Karim. Today, YouTube has over 1 billion users. According to a statistics, it will take 1200 years for someone to see all the videos on YouTube. The first photo to be uploaded to the World Wide Web. In 1992, computer scientist Tim Berners-Lee was working on a small project that he called the World Wide Web. When a rocking crone known as Les Horrible Cernets was approached by Berners-Lee to contribute this project, they had no clue that their photo would become the first picture to be uploaded to the World Wide Web. The first picture ever posted on Instagram. At a Lono taco stand in Todos Santos, Mexico, Instagram co-founder Kevin Storm snapped this picture of his adorable puppy and uploaded it to Instagram in July 2010, which makes this photo the first ever Instagram in the world. The first web page in the world. This is the first ever web page in the world. The first .com domain to be registered. Symbolics.com was registered on March 15, 1985 with Symbolics Compute Corporation in Muscat. The company has since gone under. The domain is still up and running as the oldest .com on internet. The first ever ad banner to spam a web page. Those annoying pop-ups and banner ad have to start somewhere. On October 27, 1994, the website Weird.com, which was then known as Hot Weird, launched an AT&T advertisement with 10 simple words. Have you ever clicked your mouse right here? You will. Advertising has never been the same since. First item ever sold on eBay. The first ever thing to be sold on eBay was a broken laser pointer in the year 1995 when eBay was called Auction Web. The laser belonged to the site owner himself and was purchased for $14. The first product ever sold on Amazon. On April 3, 1995, an unsuspecting customer named John Wainwright purchased a copy of Holzweider Fluid Concept and Creative Analogies from a new online bookstore called Amazon. Little did Wainwright know that his purchase would be the first of a company that has essentially changed the way we shop for goods today. The first ever documented use of emotions. The first time anyone ever suggested that computer text be used as facial expression was in 1982 by a computer scientist named Scott Fahiman. The first internet search engine. 8 years before Google was created, Alan Emtek, a student at McGill University in Montreal, developed the first ever engine called Archie in 1990. The first live journal entry on the internet. LiveJournal paved the way for how we use social media today, and this entry made by Brad Fitzpatrick, "This is a test," was the first ever LiveJournal entry on the internet. The first Facebook profile page. The first 3 Facebook profiles account were only a test. The first the Facebook page is attributed to Lucky 4, none other than Facebook co-founder Mark Zuckerberg. The earliest surviving Wikipedia edit. In 2010, the Wikimedia Foundation discovered a cache of this missing data, including this earliest surviving Wikipedia edit from 2001. The first online multiplayer game. Way before World of Warcraft, there was only multi-user Dungeon, also known as Mudwan, the oldest virtual world in existence. The game was created in 1978 by Rod Trowbridge and Richard Bartle at the University of Essex, the first email to ever be sent. In 1971, computer programmer Ray Tomlinson sent a few messages to himself from one machine to another using the @ symbol for direction. He had just made history by sending the world's first email. The first unsolicited commercial email, aka spam. 7 years after Tomlinson sent their first email, another internet milestone was reached, spam. This was the first ever unsolicited commercial email ever made on internet on 1st May 1978. Our email inboxes have never been the same since. The first article ever published on BuzzFeed. According to BuzzFeed's editorial, director and keeper of all knowledge, that is Buzz, Mr. Jack Shepard, the first ever BuzzFeed article was a short write-up on a super cute PSP video game called Loco Roco. the first webcam to actually stream live. The first live stream webcam was set by the researchers at the University of Cambridge in 1991, and the weirdest thing is that they invented this live stream to keep an eye on the coffee machine to know with the availability of coffee in the coffee machine which were at different floors. The first ever underwater periscope video. On Sunday, December 6, 2015, Australian cinematographer and Hitcase ambassador Mitch Oates hosted the world's first ever underwater live stream video broadcast, using only his Hitcase Pro iPhone and the popular mobile app Periscope. So these were the first 20 fascinating things ever happened on internet. Thank you for watching our video. Hope you liked it. Please stay tuned our channel.